This week in crypto regulation news: SEC Rethink, Gibraltar leap, Trump probe Royals capital. Crypto regulation: Gibraltar, Trump. Journalist: Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist: Tanzeel Akhtar. About author: Tanzeel Akhtar has been covering the cryptocurrency and blockchain sector since 2015. She has written for the Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Bitcoin Magazine, and Bitcoin.com. Author profile: share. Copied. Last updated May 15, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. As the digital asset sector continues to weave itself deeper into the fabric of global finance, regulatory efforts across jurisdictions are intensifying, sometimes with increased coordination and at other times mired in political drama. This week brought together a mix of ambition, scrutiny, and international experimentation, from Washington to Gibraltar, showing the tension between innovation and oversight in crypto markets. Paul Atkins heralds the end of the SEC's crypto enforcement-only era. In a potentially game-changing pivot for U.S. crypto regulation, SEC Chair Paul Atkins used a May 12 roundtable titled Tokenization, Moving Assets On-Chain, where TradFi and DeFi meet, to reiterate his vision for a coherent regulatory framework designed for digital assets. Speaking alongside major industry players, including Robinhood's Johan Kerbrat and Fidelity's Cynthia Lowe-Bessette, Atkins emphasized that his tenure would mark the departure from the agency's controversial regulation by enforcement model. Instead, he pledged to build a clear and rational rulebook that supports the responsible issuance, custody, and trading of crypto assets, while continuing to pursue bad actors. This shift is welcomed by market participants long frustrated by inconsistent guidance and unpredictable enforcement actions. Atkins' push suggests the SEC is ready to embrace a more constructive role in the evolution of crypto markets, aligning them more closely with the regulatory standards of traditional finance. Gibraltar and bullish blaze trail with crypto derivatives rules. While the U.S. works to clarify its domestic stance, Gibraltar is making bold moves on the international front. On May 13, the British Overseas Territory announced a partnership with Bullish, the Peter Thiel-backed crypto exchange, and the Gibraltar Financial Services Commission (GFSC), to build the first regulatory regime specifically designed for the clearing and settlement of crypto derivatives. In what could be a watershed moment, this initiative seeks to apply the rigor of frameworks like EMIR and Dodd-Frank to the crypto world. By separating trading from settlement and introducing a regulated, independent clearinghouse, Gibraltar hopes to set a new standard in transparency and risk management for digital markets. This experiment, backed by heavyweight capital and regulatory foresight, may offer a model for other jurisdictions seeking to bridge the gap between TradFi, traditional finance, and DeFi, decentralized finance. Senators push back against unrealized gains levy. Back in Washington, crypto taxation is once again in the spotlight. Senators Cynthia Lummis and Bernie Moreno have urged Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent to revisit aspects of the Corporate Alternative Minimum Tax, CAMT, part of former President Biden's Inflation Reduction Act, arguing that it inadvertently penalizes digital asset firms by taxing unrealized gains. In a joint letter, the senators warn that the measure could harm U.S. competitiveness and deter crypto innovation, particularly as other jurisdictions offer more favorable tax environments. The Treasury has yet to indicate whether it will reconsider how CAMT is applied, but the bipartisan nature of the complaint suggests mounting pressure to provide relief for digital asset companies navigating unclear tax rules. Stablecoin bill gains momentum despite political firestorm. One piece of legislation making headway despite Washington's deep partisan divide is a long-awaited stablecoin bill. Revived by Senators Bill Hagerty, Republican Tennessee, and Angela Alsobrooks, Democrat Maryland, the bill is being fast-tracked for a potential vote before the Memorial Day recess. With President Donald Trump's crypto ventures drawing fresh scrutiny, more on that below, lawmakers may be eager to push through regulatory wins before the environment becomes even more politically charged. The bill, which seeks to establish clear issuance standards and reserve requirements for stablecoin providers, has gained rare bipartisan traction, though its fate is still unclear amid a swirl of election year narratives. Trump's crypto entanglements trigger congressional alarm. As crypto legislation inches forward, Trump's deepening ties to the digital asset space are triggering alarm bells on Capitol Hill. This week, Democratic lawmakers launched a new probe into the president's crypto dealings, requesting detailed financial records from the U.S. Treasury concerning Trump-affiliated platforms such as World Liberty Financial and meme coins like Dollar Trump and Dollar Melania. In a strongly worded letter dated May 14, Representatives Gerald Connolly, Jamie Raskin, and Joseph Morell demanded access to suspicious activity reports, SARs, filed since 2023. The lawmakers expressed concerns over potential money laundering, bribery, and market manipulation tied to these ventures, warning of broader threats to national security and voter trust. The request follows mounting scrutiny of Trump's financial interests in crypto, which have expanded rapidly since his return to political prominence. If substantiated, the allegations could fuel an already combustible election cycle, where digital assets are now firmly part of the political battleground. House Democrats intensify pressure. SARS deadline set. The investigation escalated further with a follow-up letter on May 15. The same trio of House Democrats doubled down, urging Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent to release the requested SARs by May 30. In addition to Trump-linked entities, the letter flagged a number of Republican-aligned fundraising platforms and PACs, including Elon Musk's America PAC, for potential regulatory breaches. The lawmakers painted a picture of shocking corruption, showing the need for transparency amid what they described as predatory behavior targeting vulnerable Americans. While no formal charges have been announced, the probe is likely to dominate headlines in the coming weeks, casting a long shadow over Trump's crypto ventures, and potentially the industry more broadly. Final thoughts. This week's developments show that there is a defining truth in the digital asset era. Crypto is no longer operating in the shadows. As regulators, politicians, and institutions grapple with the sector's complexities, the future of crypto will be shaped not just by code and capital but by policy and politics. From Gibraltar to Washington, there is growing unease with crypto's political entanglements. One thing is clear: the age of regulatory ambiguity is ending. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? May 10, 2025. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin News. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? For days ago. By Amin Ayan. Altcoin News. Coinbase revenue from XRP tops ETH. SOL is holding soar 458%. Is XRP price ready for breakout? May 10, 2025. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keely-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.